An activity of fixed, variable, and marginal cost given question is a small bakery has the following monthly cost. Given is rent, salary, ingredients, and electricity. On the rent, they are 10,000 fixed. They are 10,000 fixed cost. Then this does not change monthly. On salary, 15,000 fixed na gid na siya. Di na gid na siya makuan malahi. So paid regularly to worker. Ingredients, they are 20 pesos variable cost that change with production. And electricity, they are 2,000 variable cost defined of usage. Depende na siya sa paggamit.
So, an activity on fixed variable and marginal cost. Fixed cost, so rent 10,000 plus salary is 15,000 plus electricity is 2,000. So, the total fixed cost is 27,000.
Number 2, the variable cost means the cost that changes depending on how much you produce. The formula is ingredients cost times quantity equals variable cost. So in the example, 20 pesos cost per ingredients times 1,000 quantity made, so equals 20,000 pesos. So this means the total variable cost is 20,000 pesos, which will increase if you produce more and decrease if you produce less.
So this is the answer of number 3. This is the total money spent for the month. We just add the fixed cost of 27,000 and the variable cost is 20,000. That's why the total is 47,000.
An activity of fixed, variable, and margin in number 4, average cost. This is the formula. AC equals total cost divided quantity. An AC equals 47,000 divided 1,000, so equal niya is 47 na lang nabilin. So average cost, when the average cost 47 per unit, this means each product costs 47 or make on average.
If bakery increases production to 1,000 loaves and the additional cost of the one loaf is 20 pesos, what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost is the cost of producing one additional loaf. In this case, the additional cost for the 1,001 loaf is given as 20 pesos.